Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BscScan for BEP-20 transfer verification. Easy tutorial step-by-step clear. To begin, navigate to the BscScan homepage. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. If you don't have an account, select Register to create a new one. Fill in the required information and complete the registration process. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your username. From the drop-down menu, select API Keys. Click on the Create API Key button. In the pop-up window, enter a name for your API key. Then, press the Create button to generate your new API key. Copy this API key for future use. Next, open your desired wallet that holds the BEP-20 tokens. Look for the Settings or Preferences option in your wallet. Locate the section related to BscScan or verification. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Save the changes made in your wallet settings. Now, go back to BscScan. Search for the BEP-20 token you wish to verify. Once on the Tokens page, click on the right Contract tab. Connect your wallet to the BscScan interface. Select the function for the transfer you want to verify. Make sure to fill in all required fields accurately. Finally, click the Submit button to complete the transfer verification process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the success of your transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.